Hello. Today we will talk about beta-glucans. You may have heard of them, but do you know why they are so important for your health and your immune system? I did a little research and it turns out that people buy beta-glucans without knowing why. So what do they actually do in our bodies? Beta-glucans are natural substances found in various foods, such as oats, barley, or yeast. But they have the most superpower in mushrooms. And it is precisely these beta-glucans from mushrooms that have unique abilities that can strengthen and stimulate your immunity. Imagine your immune system as an army that protects your body from attacks. And now imagine that every soldier in this army needs the right tools to be effective. And here comes our hero, beta-glucan. Beta-glucans function like a key that unlocks and activates immune cells to effectively fight against bacteria, viruses, yeasts, and even cancer cells. You might remember an old toy, a metal wind-up chicken. When wound up, it would start pecking frantically. That's exactly how our immune cells function when they receive a dose of beta-glucans. They activate and destroy everything that does not belong in our body. Why is beta-glucan vital for mushrooms? They have a more complex structure, which increases their effectiveness. There is even a scientific study that compares how different types of beta-glucans can activate immune cells. And it was the mushroom beta-glucans that emerged from this study as superheroes, much stronger than, for example, beta-glucans from grains or yeast. Why am I even saying this here? Firstly, so that you can learn something interesting. And secondly, because Mycomedica is now bringing a revolution in the field of vital mushrooms. Thanks to a special combined extraction, which they have been working on for years, they can now extract much more beta-glucans from mushrooms. And at the same time, they preserve the natural concentration of other active substances, which is extremely important. Previously, the amount of polysaccharides in mushrooms was indicated, for example, reishi, with a concentration of 30% polysaccharides, which is great, and our Mycomedica mushrooms simply work. But in polysaccharides, there is always a part that does not have much effect on our body. For example, alpha-glucans. But now, Mycomedica is ushering in a new era in vital mushrooms. The era of beta-glucans has arrived. So if you definitely want the best and most effective mushrooms, check out Mycomedica Pro mushrooms, the ones labeled Pro. I hope you are absolutely pro. Have a nice day.